Hello, this is Kara from Kara Tarot with a general reading for Monday, April 28th, 2025. Today I'm using one of my favorite and most beautiful decks, the Muse Cat Tarot by creator Kim Da Jeong. And I'm also going to be augmenting it with Le Jardin des Secrets, Lenormand cards. The spread that I'm using today is by an Instagram poster, Taurosaurus _Rex, the Chin Up Sunshine spread. I have already cut these, and I'm sitting off to the side today. So the first card is something that I have. The second card is something I can give to others. The third card, a connection, someone special in my life. And the fourth card, a hidden gem, something that others admire about me that I don't always know. So, that first card, something that I have already. The Four of Pentacles. Well, I have quite a bit, apparently, and I'm not giving it away. So I have things. I do have things, and I am holding on to them, apparently. But here is something that I can give to others. The King of Swords. The kings are about mastery. They are about the material experience and manifestation of, in this case, swords, which is communication, thoughts, and the ability to cut through mindless chatter. So that is something that I give as a teacher, that those are all useful tools to have. Connection, someone special in my life. The Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles are many people. This, right away, someone came to mind, a person that's been a teacher and a mentor, and really given me great opportunities as she continues to teach others, and is a wonderful person in my life that I'm grateful for. I hope that you have someone in your life like this. The Three of Pentacles is about working together, each understanding your own strengths and weaknesses. So that's how you can create connections, is valuing each other's differences and strengths and weaknesses. You have things to be grateful for. You have the ability to be in control of your thoughts and the things that you say to others and working with others. And finally, the hidden gem, something others admire about you that you may not know. Wands and Pentacles today. The Seven of Wands. This is the card. It's funny, this came up yesterday after a whole week of getting the Five of Wands in various readings. The Five of Wands being about preparing and getting yourself ready. The Seven of Wands is about putting it into action, about your ability, your strength, and this is in the creative field. So this is your strength in the creative field to make things happen that you've already done the preparation. And so that's something that people admire about you. And I'm going to add two more cards to this layout. for today. Oh, this is really distended because of the sharp angle on this. The wheel. Changes are happening. If you look at it in terms of here, you have, if you read it this way, the Four of Pentacles is this, these are the possessions that you have, the things that you're holding on to. These are the things that you're sharing and working with others. The wheel represents changes along the way, a possible voyage, places that you have to go. And the fish is abundance in finance and prosperity. So in this field, this place where you are able to communicate your thoughts and cut through unnecessary chatter, and you have the strength and the preparation, this will be a place where you find abundance and prosperity, and even financial prosperity. General reading for Monday, April 28th, 2025, with the Muse Cat Tarot and Le Jardin de Secret, Petite Lenormand. As always, if this doesn't resonate with you, just take it as an opportunity to look at the beautiful cards and learn the meanings of different cards in relationship to others. It's a time to just let these images wash over you. If it does resonate with you, and I think it's always very clear, if a reading resonates with you, you will think, yes, that applies to me. You won't have any question. If you're confused as to what things might mean or how they might relate to you, I would say that's a reading that does not relate to you. So just take what lands, and the things that don't, you can leave for someone else. General readings are different from personalized readings with your own personal questions. I'm Cara from Cara Tarot. Have a day where you can address the changes and have great abundance. Thank you.